Action number 1, lift the idle section to remove the tension from the belt, then rotate the knobs and remove the safety enclosure for the motor drum. Leave it there for a second. Each of the rollers of the idle section. These ones are for a 25mm diameter roller. There are 4, 2 on each side, because this one is a central drive. In case of a hand drive, you would have only the motor drum on one side and only one blade end on the other side. Then remove the tensioning rollers. All these can be disassembled by hand and can be cleaned inside. Again, there are 2 on this conveyor because it's a central drive. And as you see, the belt can be eventually removed from the side and taken away to be cleaned if necessary. All the slide strips are not blocked in any way. They can just be lifted to be cleaned underneath, and also the motor drum can be taken away and each section can be removed by hand, again to clean inside. Now for the reassembly. Just push hard back in position the motor drum till the end. There. Then place the tensioning rollers. One and 2. Be sure to have the belt completely inside the frame support for the safety enclosure and to be very well adherent to the motor drum. And finally, you can position the rollers, the blade passage. For in position, push down the first idle end, check the positioning, correct positioning of the slide strips, and then push it down so the tension is back on. And now for the final stage, put the safety enclosure back in position, rotate the knobs, and it is good to go.